Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and we say attack. So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to talk about a story, people. I'm also going to share some recordings from it. Some of video, people, I understand, but I'm not going to share the actual video with you. I'm going to share the recordings from the video. You know what I mean? And it's really a story or article that I came across, people, and I really have to talk about it because I know a lot of people in Jamaica and other regions, people, are going through the same thing because, you know, and it's just sad for no people when a person may spend up a lot of money. The parents may spend a lot of money and thing, and if you go university, if you go college, people, you get a diploma, you get a degree, you get all of them something, people. And when you need to get a job, people, they're going to look by you and tell you, say, based on the position where you want and your qualification, they cannot hire you because they can't pay you. And you have to and maybe choose one job. You know what I mean? You not discriminate against no job, but you have to choose a job where it's way less, you know what I mean, way down than to the knowledge where you pay much money to gain inside of your brain, people. So I came across this article, people, this video, and it is where a young man, people, you understand, in Jamaica, and this man is basically he's washing car and them thing there now, people, and he's also doing a little you know, like nice thing and so with that man and thing, and he was visited by the news reporter, people. And when I hear the man's story, people, only just sees and knows, people, because I have to think a lot, you know, because I know a lot of people is going through the same situation that this man is going through. No joke about it, people. So before I say nothing more, people, I'm just going to share this recording with you all, and then the attacking boss, you know, continue this thing.
From the day I left Caribbean Maritime, 2008, October 2008, up until this day, I have not gotten a call from anywhere, and I have sent out many applications for jobs. I'm a past student of Clarion College, and after Clarion College I've attended Bethlehem Moravian College, Teachers College, for about a year or two, and then from there to Caribbean Maritime University. At Caribbean Maritime University, I did a diploma in international shipping and logistics. I really wanted to have worked on the wharf as a stevedore. You know, they do the lashing and unlashing of containers and so forth. So that was my most interest in going into Caribbean Maritime University. I've graduated from Caribbean Maritime Institute, or University, from the year 2008. And up until now, I haven't gotten a job in the shipping industry to feel off my diploma experience at Caribbean Maritime Institute. The frustration knowing that I've been to that institution for quite some years, 3-4 years should be exact. And after training and getting what I am there for, I can't afford to get a job, or out of the many that I've sent out there said they can't afford to pay me. Are you familiar with brain drain? You know, after years of educating ourselves and so forth, we have to be going. You have a lot of people leave the island to go somewhere else to find jobs, and that's not healthy for the economy, because most of our trained people are not here doing anything. Trained also, certified in whatever field, whether plumbing, construction, even education, and still here not getting anything. I'd like them to provide more opportunities for youngsters to, even for like me in the shipping industry, open a lot more doors so we can get the experience, so we can provide for our families and so forth. We want to have families, and I can't even start one because I can't afford. Couldn't go to Caribbean Maritime for so long and still wouldn't want to benefit from it. I would really love a door or something, you know, so I can issue my resume and application. I'd love to do that. to any company or whatever. 'Cause I've been doing it over the years and I haven't gotten any response as yet. Sometimes I get discouraged, but sometimes I have friends such like Martel there. Give me a little push and said, try again, man. Send out something. Maybe as long as you're out there with, you know, say out there, they will call you with something, you can expect something. So I just send them out and still. So he employed me. He knows the skill that I have. He knows that I'm good with stocks, and because logistics is all about, you know, stock taking and inventory actually. So it's a part of the inventory, and I try to instill some of what I learned from the institute right here.
Alright, my people. So you see where me really come off of viewers and subscribers. See? And me I tell the people, you see the government in Jamaica on a real level, we need to have something better for them people, you know. Not joking, you know. Because I have family member who go through the same thing, you know, people. A big old degree, you know, and can't get a work, you know. Big degree guy, university, and do all of them something, a bachelor's people spend over 5 years studying and can't find a job. Can't. See? And if you do something weird less, and a joke, people spend much money. And the sad thing about people are getting older each day. And a lot of these jobs now, them are going to tell us, yo, you're not too old, them can't, them not iron, them are look for young people. What kind of thing now? What kind of foolishness them are? So why the sense then you are going to go college then and I pay up this bag of money at university and when you finish you can't find a job? And this is a thing why you find so much of our own people now, them are leave Jamaica and I migrate and I go other part people because in Jamaica them stuck and they can't move on. And that's why at times being people, you find some youth in the street who come some man and roll it up and I do these people and they have them strap on them pipe and when they check on them pass and yes, you know that youth they have all 15 subject, 14 subject. He was a brilliant boy. You know that youth they got college and them thing there. See, we never know people. These are a lot of things where the government they need to address in our country. It's true. Then there are things where they need to address. Because it don't make no sense. Think about the people. You know say a lot of people who may finish high school, never go college, never do this, never do that. And right now, they're in a better job, in a better position than a man who comes up and have a big old bachelor's degree. Especially in the hotel industry right now, a lot of these big hotel companies, people, a lot of the managers them we see out there, people, they never got university, they never got college. In the same hotel, that's where them do them training in the people. You get me? So them start from here, so maybe them start as one look, you know what I mean, one look waiter or one look. You get me? So them man pour the water until they step up and come supervisor, until they look training and come to one turn manager, until they see them come to boom. Them are the head of the department, people, big general manager. It happens, Zin, and the man out there spending much money, Zin, can't find a job, can't find no resources. I'm not telling no one out there, people, and I would never tell no one say don't go to college, don't go to university, you understand, don't study and get a degree. But all of me I say people is that the government need to make ways for these people. See? We need to have people who tell the people and tell them about them can't pay them. Because I sure know say when a man go college, when I go university and whatever you study for people, they don't know say look you see this job that I'm studying for. The money that we expect to get for pay when we're doing this job, people. You understand? So why when it comes to boom, and so in our feeling of people, they have to have somebody in that position. See? So basically then, the person would have in that position then, because if this man to get $150 or get $100 for whatever he might do people. See? And when it comes to the test now, you are going to tell him, say, yo, you can't hire him because, you know, you can't pay him $150 because you can't pay that. You know what I mean? So the man you have to do the job then, that means how much you have to pay him? 60 or 50 you have to pay him then. Which is wrong. Which is robbery, this thiefness. And that, a lot of that go on in Jamaica. See? And not just Jamaica people, a lot of that go on in different regions in the Caribbean. See? It's sad. And this is a thing where the government need to look into. This brother you know people, man if you wash car, man if you do this people have big old bachelor's sit down pan. You hear the man study people are warfare for that. Zine on the front line of that thing Caribbean Maritime University go study for people. Very big university. Instead of on the ship I do some of them. You know what I mean? Because what your people you can't take them to reach far. Zine. So why I really highlighted this story people I said because I know a lot of people going through the same thing. A lot of people. And the next thing why I highlighted also people, because me know so maybe me can highlight the people and somebody see the story even though I never sign a contact for this man people, and maybe they can find him in somewhere or somewhere. And if I do get even the contact after, in other words, maybe he see people or somebody who know him see it, and we add it in the description. But all I say people on a real level, we just hope that somebody can help this man provide a job for people and make him go do whatever and study for the government or somebody. See? Because the government, you have the big old war out there. I know so whatever, you sell out too much stake, you must say 50% to over China or whatever. And something. You have the people now, so maybe if you go over the war, let the people you see employed then at the job, them people are people from China. Zin, I wish we have people in Jamaica who study for the job or not bring in other people to take over the job. It's wrong, man. Come on. You know, joke people. The man never study for the job now, did they? After you wash car, wipe car glass like this and I wash car, while we not bringing people because what we sell out it to different company and bringing other people to come do this and do that. You know, piece of them the thing they right? You know, piece of them the thing they right? My people in Jamaica, Zin, if you know wise up and not looking on yourself, you know, as I said, these politicians, you know, Zin, they mean you know good, you know, they don't mean you know good. See? But when it come down to that 4-year definition, you hear say, "Illy come and they're ready for do this, people." When you see them and the whole mindset change up and make them chicken on the guy run back. But remember, me always telling you, it takes 4 to 5 years before you can come to and dip that finger there again. Remember, so think about that 4 or 5 years their life. If it valid to you, no one will do. See? Not until you see people might create some resources for better way for uno. See, now look out for old people. Then if it comes someone ready for that. Think, don't make them chicken the young people. Don't make them chicken up. See? Because trick them trick us. Don't be fooled to them again. None of them, whether up or whether who in a power, because we're not pick side people, but it's reality. We're the people who look out for we. See? Oh, you can a man go somewhere and studying big old thing and can't find. It's wrong, man. Oh my world, oh my precious man. Attack, man. Viewers and subscribers, big up to the 7 people. More love, more respect, and more blessings, and just stay safe for people out there and do the right thing. And yo, as I said, when I provide ways and means to the youth, them a lot of people out there go through the same thing. And family members who go through the same thing. People have big old degree and can't find a job in Jamaica. Only just season he knows. Enough love my people, enough respect, and just stay safe and do the right thing. And remember, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. You understand? Tap all in notification section so as the boss drop a video, you'll get them people. Follow me on IG. Follow me on Twitter, people, and you don't know NEWLINK production, people. And big up to everybody who support the channel, whether by subscribing, whether by donating on PayPal, whether by purchasing a NEWLINK shirt, you understand, a NEWLINK coffee cup, a NEWLINK phone case, in the merch thing, people. Enough love and enough respect. I appreciate you all, people, and look out. NEWLINK Back to School Treat 2021. Peace out. Big up. Attack.